Welcome back. BJP President Amit Shah will be meeting with several union ministers. Around 10 of them are expected to come to the party office. This is for the Mudra Bank campaign. For more on that, let's go across to Rahul Srivastava. Rahul, tell us about this campaign that's being planned.
Galki, what we can distinctly feel that there is a sense of worry in the government. The worry in the government is that there has been a slew of policies which have been announced by the government over the last 15 months as far as pro-poor policies are concerned. Even if you take, say, for example, Jan Dhan and several other policies, they have been received very well. Say, for example, the direct benefit transfers, all these issues have been well received by the public, primarily because of the kind of benefits which were accruing. But somewhere within the government, there is a feeling that a large segment and several other economic and social segments have been left out by the kind of policies and especially the target audience. Say, for example, the Mudra Bank policy, it was largely targeted at the unorganized sector. Those who are running small units on the pavements in small cities, or maybe running very small in manufacturing units, but do not have the finances. And this is the segment which one can say has been affected by the policies over the last 10 to 11 years. And that is why the government had created them. But there is now a feeling that these policies are not being received very well by the public, perhaps due to the lack of communication. Now the BJP and Prime Minister Narendra Modi do certainly have a problem with that issue, because if you realize 15 months ago when Narendra Modi came to power and became the Prime Minister, it was largely on a basis of great communication skills. Somewhere the BJP and Narendra Modi as a candidate for Prime Minister's job could convey what exactly he wanted to do or what was his vision prior to elections. So there is some kind of a deficiency which is being felt, and that is why, if you notice, tomorrow starts a 3-day meeting of review of the government's performance over the last 15 months between the RSS and the BJP, in which the RSS Pracharaks, nearly 93 odd delegates and all the organs of the RSS are going to provide feedback. And that is why this meeting is crucial. Mudra Bank, Atal Pension Yojana, all the other insurance schemes, somewhere how ministers and the government can coordinate better with the party and the structure to implement them better and perhaps create a better political impact of the economic policies.
All right, Rahul, thanks so much for joining us with that.